banknotes as well. And banknotes really is the extraction of wealth, okay? Which means that in theory now, you could have infinite wealth. Why we're so wealthy today? Because we abstracted wealth, okay? Before, wealth was limited because gold was limited. But now with banknotes, with money, in theory, wealth can be infinite, okay? This idea of you have anxiety, how do you deal with anxiety? Work, okay? OCD, obsessive compulsive behavior. What kind of work do you do? Make money. Because the money is proof of God's grace. Not been aware that they should not go any further. Okay, right? Let's just say that you want to lose weight. Your obsession is to lose weight. It's possible that you may die in the process because you don't know how much weight you should lose. You don't know what the proper equilibrium is, okay? You just want to lose as much weight as possible. That's the problem with accumulating money. You try to get more and more money to prove your worth to God, but you can't stop. You don't know when to stop, okay? Perpetually sustains itself without reaching any form of satiety. You cannot stop, okay? You look at Jack Ma, the richest man in China at some point, right? He has all this money, $50 billion. What is he doing with it? Nothing. All he wants is to make more and more money. Why? Because only the acquisition of money brings him happiness. Nothing else does. It's a disease. Above all, as this race towards an unattainable goal can give no satisfaction, but the race itself, if that can be called satisfaction, should anything chance to get in its way, then one is left empty-handed. Okay? You're so focused on the obtainment of wealth that if you lose this process, okay, if you stop this process, you will feel devoid of everything, okay? You could have $50 billion in the bank, but if you drop out of this race, if you stop the accumulation of money, you will fall into anxiety and depression, right?